Hi students, how are you all of you? Dear student, this lesson number 5th, the 12 months, the video of explanation already I have uploaded on our channel. Please to understand this lesson, see this explanation video, and in this video for your better understanding and see the ready question and answers I have given you as a exercise lesson number 5th, the 12 months. Yes, question number 1 is that find the meaning of the following words. Yes, the words are given here and we have to find out meanings of these words. First word is that adorning. Yes, the meaning of adorning is to make something or someone more beautiful. Yes, then the second is rated. Second word, to scold angrily. Rated means to scold angrily. Abused. Third one is abused. To treat someone with cruelty or violence. To treat someone with cruelty and violence. Four is starlets. Small stars. Yes, the meaning of starlets is small stars. And fifth is delicious. Meaning of delicious is very tasty. Yes, see, our first word was adorning, and the meaning of adorning is to make something or someone more beautiful. Our second word is rated, and the meaning of rated is to scold angrily. And our third word is abused. The meaning of abused is to treat someone with cruelty or violence. Fourth number word is that starlets. The meaning of starlet is small stars. Fifth word is delicious, and the meaning of delicious is very tasty. Let's go to the question second. It is also there for you, dear student. See, our question second is read the words, write the words that combine to make each of them. See, first we have to read, then write, okay, the words, and we have to combine to make each of them. Yes, the combined words we are going to make it separate. See, first word is stepmother. So, how we can write this? Step and mother. Step and mother. Our second word is footprint. So how we can write this? Foot and print. Our third word is that snow white. How we can write this? Snow and white. Then our fourth word is springtime. How we can write this? Spring and time. And our fifth word is gentle hearted. Yes, gentle hearted. How we can write this? Gentle and hearted. And our sixth one is that anywhere. How we can write this? Any and where. Yes, do you understand this? This was our second question. Stepmother, step and mother. Footprint, foot and print. Snow white, snow and white. Springtime, spring and time. Gentle hearted, gentle and hearted. Anywhere, any and where. Like that you have to write this. Now our question 3 is, now write other the meaningful words that begin and with. Yes, see, now write other the meaningful words that begin and with. See, these words we have to write here. Step, see, this step is end with. For before we have put it doer, and this word is ending with step. Yes, doer, step. Foot, barefoot. Yes, snow. Here is the snowfall, and the third one is spring onion. Understood? These are the word step, do a step, foot, barefoot, snow, snowfall, spring, spring onion. Like that. Now we can go to the next, dear student. See, fifth one is that gentle, gentleman, any, anything. Yes. Now the second word in each, the same question. Second word in each, mother, grandmother. Yes, what is it? Grandmother. Second is what? Print, blueprint. Yes. Third, white, whiteboard. Fourth, time, bedtime. Fifth, hearted. Yes, half-hearted. Six, where, was. These are the words. Yes, you can see it on the screen. You can copy these words in your notebook. Now we can turn to the question number 3 is that answer the following questions. What is our question 3? Answer the following questions. Question 1 is that why did Moricula's stepmother hate her? Why did Moricula's stepmother hate her? Answer is that, see, Moricula's stepmother hated her because Moricula was prettier than her own daughter. Understood answer? Moricula's stepmother hated her because Moricula was prettier than her own daughter. Now let's go to the question second. Yes. In what season does the story take place? In what season does the story take place? Answer is the story take place in winter. In which season do students? This story take place in winter. Okay, now go to the next. Yes, question number 3 is there for you. See, does Moricula get any of the things she brings? Yes, does Moricula get any of the things she brings? Moricula does not get. Answer, Moricula does not get any of the things she brings because her cruel stepmother and stepsister do not give her any. What is the answer, dear student? Moricula does not get any of the things she brings because her cruel stepmother and stepsister do not give her any. Yes. Now our next question is question number 4. Why do Helena and her mother go out in the snow themselves? See, why do Helena and her mother go out in the snow themselves? Helena and her mother, see, go out in the snow themselves to get more apples. For what, dear student, they have gone? To get more apples, because Moricula, she has brought only 2 apples before, and these 2 apples they tasted and they liked it very much. Now fifth, why is Great January annoyed with Helena and her mother? Does he help them? See, why is Great January annoyed with Helena and her mother? Does he help them? Great January is annoyed with Helena and her mother because they were rude and disrespect. Okay, fool and did not ask for permission to warm their hands. Yes, Great January did not help them. Understood answer? Now let's go on the next. This is the last page of this exercise. Describe the following with the help of the story. Can you see this question on the screen? Question number 5. Describe the following with the help of the story. Springtime, the trees began to bud and the ground was at once covered with grass. Understood this? Now next is summer. What is the summer? See, the ground was all green, the trees were covered with leaves. The bird began to sing and the forest was filled with all kinds of flowers. The ground under the bushes was covered with white starlets. The starry blossom were turning into strawberries. See this summer, you can see it on the screen, and you can copy this summer in your notebook also. Now let's go to the winter. Is third. The See the snow, here I forgot to write, yes. Snow began to fall thick, and an icy wind began to blow through the forest. The snow fell in huge masses and it was freezing cold. Yes, in the winter. Understood? Now the question fifth is that question 5 and the last question of this exercise. Find 5 other nouns from the story. These are the nouns: violets, Olena, apron, forest. Yes. See dear student, here we have finished our this exercise of 5 lesson number 5, the 12 months. Yes, if you like this video, please share with your friends. Please like this and subscribe it. Thank you.